So, as a farmer, you have decided now to plant green peppers. And now your belly peppers are really growing and they're having so many fruits. But the problem is that they're starting to be heavy on your plant. And you have no solution, or you don't know what's the solution for you to actually support the plant to be able to carry the weight of a fruit without the fruits breaking down the plant. So welcome to another video of Makwala Agri. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the importance of trellising your belly peppers and how you're going to be doing it. So basically, there are many ways to actually trellis your crop. Basically, what you do, you look at the environment and what resources do you have that you can actually trellis your crop with. So in our case, we went for a Florida style. But to actually do a Florida style, you need poles. Because we didn't have access to poles, we then used the pallets. So they actually work very fine as well. So we went for pallets, and then we didn't actually calculate the space between the pallets and the crops. So when we put in the pallets, we didn't actually measure how many we want to put after how many meters. And yeah, those are some of the things that you can actually, if you have time, you can do it. But in our case, we didn't care about the space. All we cared about, it was actually provide a support structure for our crop. One of the reasons why you actually got to actually trellis your plant is because when they start to have fruits, you'll find that your fruits touches the ground, and when the fruits touches the ground, they started to be bent during the hot times. When the soil is hot, they actually tend to spoil your fruits because they're gonna be touching the ground and they'll start to be spoiled, from the ground. So they will get bent by the heat from the soil. So yeah, we then put it some few of those pallets between our plants, and then after we actually put in those pallets, we then proceeded by using our trellis line. So when we were using our trellis line, like I said, we're doing a method or a style of trellising that is called Florida style. So there are many ways that you can do it, because you remember when I did a video when I was trellising at Young CPT the farm, and when I was doing trellising at his greenhouse, we're using a different style from the one that we are doing today at Makwala Agri. So what we were doing here, we were actually moving our trellis line or our trellis rope on an S formula. So what you'll do is that you'll have on your first line is that your trellis line will go on the left and right on the other tree. If on the first tree we were on the right side, and then the second tree we're gonna be going on the left side. So it was like an S formula. Then when you come back from the last line, actually, or from the last pole on your line, is that you're gonna be going on the opposite direction that when you were going down you were using. So if on this plant we went left, we were gonna be going right, and on the next plant if we went right, we were gonna go left. So that's basically how you actually trellis your plant. That's what they call it, they call it Florida style. And after we actually moved around doing that, we then try to balance our trees, because by doing this you actually balance your trees from falling on the sides. But what happened when they fall from the back and the front way? So what you do, you actually come back and you try and balance your crop at the back and at the front. So the Florida style, normally basically it actually balance your crop on the left and the right side, but not at the back and the front side. So what you do, you come back and then you cut a small rope and you go around and actually try to tie up your plant or your line, so that the plant doesn't move backwards and doesn't also move frontwards. And then that's how you actually do your trellis thingy, your trellis line. So this is actually one of the good things that you need to do in a crop to avoid you having a lot of crops that you're gonna, or a lot of fruits that you're gonna be losing because they're gonna be bent from the ground, and then you're gonna be also losing your trees because they actually break when they have a lot of fruits that they cannot carry the weight of those many fruits. So thanks for watching my videos, guys. Remember to subscribe, share, comment and like. If you wanna become a member, go to my bio and then click where it says membership. You can join and contribute whatever you would like to contribute to the channel. By the way, got a feature on a poultry bulletin magazine. I'll drop the link at the bio where you can find the magazine. Go check out the article. They wrote an article about my journey, how I started. Basically it's more about my YouTube journey. So guys, like I said, thank you for watching my videos. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. If you haven't become a member, please consider becoming a member and support the channel. Dango.